Hi, and welcome to Fordeer's channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable guides, fresh updates, expert tips, and exclusive deals. Before diving in, let's quickly cover what a product label is. Product labels are small visual elements displayed within product images. They're powerful tools that can significantly boost sales and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Given the benefits they offer to Shopify merchants, today I will walk you through setting up a text label campaign using Fordeer Product Labels and Badges. Let's dive in and get started. Before we begin the process, make sure that Fordeer Labels is enabled. You can do this by clicking the Enable button in the Quick Setup Guide on the app dashboard. Don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner to confirm your settings.
Navigate to the Labels section in the sidebar menu of our app. Click on Create Label button to start the process. Choose the Text Label option to get started.
Once you've selected the text label, you'll be taken to the Design screen. Here, you can customize your label in various ways. Add content. Input your text and click on the three dots to access available variables or product meta fields if you want to include more detailed information on your label. Text customization. Change the format, font family, text color, and content alignment to match your brand style. Label customization. Scroll down to adjust the label's position, size, and color. Advanced options. For even more customization, click the downward arrow in the Advanced section to explore additional settings. After designing your label, it's time to choose which products it will be applied to. Click on the label icon in the sidebar. You can select from various options such as all products, specific collections, tags, variants, and more. Next, decide which pages on your store the label will appear on. You can choose the home page, collection pages, product pages, or any other relevant pages. Once everything is set up, click Create and publish your text label. Then, double-check that it displays correctly on your storefront. And that's it. Creating a labeling campaign with Fordeer Product Labels and Badges is that simple. With just a few clicks, you can create a basic text label that helps you categorize and highlight your products, ultimately boosting your sales. There's so much more you can do with Fordeer Product Labels and Badges, and we'll explore these features in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.